Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's B1 English listening practice, we are going to talk about something
Today I want to talk about something very important.
What is it?
Confidence.
That is a big topic.
Yes, it is. Tell me honestly, do you always feel confident?
Well, not always. Sometimes I feel strong and positive, but other times I doubt myself.
What kind of situations make you doubt?
When I try something new, when I speak in front of people, or when I think others are judging me.
That is very common. Many people think they are alone in this feeling, but they are not.
Really?
Yes. Confidence is not something people are born with. It is something they develop.
Well, confidence is a skill?
Exactly. And like any skill, it can improve with practice.
What is self-confidence?
Self-confidence means believing in your ability to handle situations. It means trusting yourself even when things are not perfect.
Oh, it doesn't mean being perfect.
Oh, that is a common misunderstanding. Confident people are not perfect. They just accept their imperfections.
What changes how I see confidence?
Confidence is not about knowing everything. It is about being willing to learn.
Arrogance. Is confidence the same as arrogance?
Oh, they are very different.
What is the difference?
Arrogance means thinking you are better than others. Confidence means believing in yourself without worrying.
Will confident people respect others?
Yes, true confidence includes humility.
Where does confidence come from?
It comes from experience.
Experience?
Yes, when you try something and survive it, your brain learns that you are capable.
And if I feel nervous?
Especially if you feel nervous.
Fear and confidence. I always thought that people have no fear.
That is not true.
Really?
Confident people feel fear. They just don't fear control them.
That makes sense.
It's not the absence of fear. It is action in presence of fear.
Childhood and confidence. Does child affect confidence?
Yes, it can. If children are encouraged and supported, they grow stronger inside. If they are criticized much, they may doubt themselves.
Can adults change that?
Of course, you are not controlled by your past.
Yourself to others. Often compare myself to others.
Social media makes that worse.
Yes, it does.
When you compare your beginning to someone else's middle, you feel small.
It is true.
Instead, compare yourself to your past self.
That feels healthier.
All wins build confidence.
How can I start building confidence?
Focus on small wins.
What do you mean?
Complete small tasks. Speak one sentence in English. Finish one.
And celebrate it?
Your brain remembers success.
Confidence is built, not given. So confidence is not magic?
It is built step by step.
It gives me hope.
Hope is the beginning of confidence.
In part 1, we talked about what confidence is. Today, I want to talk about fear.
Fear is a big problem for me.
In what way?
Sometimes I want to try something new, but I feel afraid before I even start.
What are you afraid of?
Making mistakes, looking foolish, failing in front of others.
Those fears are very common. Most everyone feels them.
And confident people?
Yes, the difference is not fear. The difference is action. Fear is natural.
Well, fear is not bad?
Fear is natural. It protects us from fear.
Public speaking is not dangerous.
Exactly. But your brain cannot always tell the difference between real danger and social.
That explains a lot.
Your heart beats faster. Your hands shake. You feel nervous.
Yes, that happens to me.
That is your body preparing you for action. The problem is avoidance.
And why do I feel less confident over time?
As you avoid the situation. Yes, when you avoid something, your brain says this situation is dangerous.
Well, avoidance increases fear?
Exactly. And reduces fear.
And what should I do?
Take small action.
And if I feel scared?
Especially when you feel scared.
It sounds difficult.
It is uncomfortable, but not impossible. Example, speaking English.
Let's take an example.
Okay.
I am afraid to speak English in public. What should I do?
Start small. Speak one sentence in a safe space.
With a friend?
Then speak to a shopkeeper. Then in a meeting.
Step by step.
Exactly. Confidence comes after action.
I always thought confidence comes first.
That is a myth. Action comes first. Confidence comes later.
Oh, I don't need to feel ready?
You need to act, even if you don't feel. 1% rule.
If I feel overwhelmed,
Is the 1% rule.
what is that?
Move just 1% every day.
Feels manageable.
All improvements are power time. Facing embarrassment.
I am afraid of embarrassment.
What is the worst that can happen?
People might laugh.
And
I would feel bad.
for how long?
Be a few minutes,
Exactly. Embarrassment is temporary.
but growth is permanent.
Well said. Taking responsibility.
Sometimes I blame situations.
What?
I can't speak because people are too good. Can't try because I'm not talented.
It gives away your power.
What should I say instead?
I can improve. I can practice. I can learn.
That feels stronger.
Comfort zone.
What is a comfort zone?
It is a place where you feel safe and familiar.
Outside that,
What happens outside the comfort zone.
it feels uncomfortable.
Yes, but discomfort is not danger. Being the first step.
If I fail after taking action,
You learn.
and try again?
Yes.
Well, failure is not the opposite of avoidance.
No. Avoidance is. Final thought 2.
So today I learned something.
What is that?
Confidence is built through not waiting.
Exactly.
Fear is natural. Avoidance makes it stronger and makes it weaker.
You understood perfectly.
I think I will try one small brave thing.
That is the beginning of confidence.
In part 2, we talked about action. Today, I want to talk about something deeper.
What is it?
Your inner voice.
You mean the voice in my head?
Yes, the way you talk to yourself.
Voice is not always kind.
Most people's inner voice is very critical.
It is self-talk.
Self-talk is the conversation you have with.
Oh, it's not spoken out loud?
It happens inside your mind
It affects confidence?
very strongly.
Negative self-talk. Sometimes I say things like, I am not smart. I always fail. I can't do this.
That is negative self-talk.
It feels automatic.
Yes, many thoughts are habits. Yes, if you repeat a thought many times, your brain believes it.
Thoughts create feelings.
Exactly.
If I think I am bad at something, I feel this.
When you feel nervous, you perform worse.
Oh, it becomes a cycle.
Yes, a negative cycle.
Hearing the inner voice. How can I change it?
Just notice your thoughts.
Notice them?
Yes, when you feel bad, ask yourself, what am I telling myself right now?
It's interesting.
Awareness is the first step.
Placing negative sentences.
You're noticing what next.
Place the negative sentence.
With what? Something realistic and positive. Instead of saying, I am terrible at English, say, I am still learning English.
That sounds more balanced. Realistic positivity. Did I say I am the best?
Oh, that might feel fake.
But what is better?
Be something believable, something. I am improving every day. I can try again. I can learn from this.
The power of language.
Words are powerful, right?
Be powerful.
In the words I say to myself,
Delete those words.
I especially.
As you hear them all the time.
Growth mindset. What is a growth mindset?
It is the belief that abilities can improve with effort.
A fixed mindset?
Believing that abilities cannot change.
So if I say I am bad at public speaking, that's fixed mindset. If you say I can improve my public speaking, that is growth mindset.
Comparing yourself to others. I compare myself to confident people.
That is natural but dangerous.
Very dangerous.
As you compare your weakness to theirs,
It makes me feel smaller.
and compare your present self to your self.
It feels healthier. Visualization.
Is there another way to build confidence?
Yes. Visualization.
What does that mean?
Imagine yourself succeeding.
Before a presentation?
Yes. Close your eyes and imagine speaking.
Does it really work?
Prepares your brain.
Body language and mindset. Does body language affect confidence?
Very much.
Oh.
If you stand straight, make eye contact, and deeply, you feel stronger.
And if I don't feel confident?
Yes. Your body can influence your mind.
Thought. Part 3. So confidence is not only about action, it is also about thinking.
Exactly.
My inner voice matters. My mindset matters.
Both can change.
I feel more aware now.
Awareness is power.
I will start listening to my thoughts more.
That is a strong step towards confidence.
Today we will talk about something that there's many people.
Let me guess. Failure?
Flee.
I really don't like failing.
People don't.
When I fail, I feel embarrassed and disappointed.
That is normal. But the way you see failure is everything. What is failure?
How do you define failure?
Failure is when something does not go as
It's not the end.
it is simply a result.
It feels personal.
It's because we connect results to our creating action from identity.
What do you mean?
If you fail at a task, you might think, I am a failure.
Yes, I do that sometimes.
Failing at something does not mean you are a failure.
So the action failed, not me.
Flee.
Why are mistakes important?
Because they teach you what works and what doesn't.
They hurt.
Growth is sometimes uncomfortable.
So pain can be useful.
If you learn from it, yes.
Emotional strength.
It is emotional strength. It is the ability to stay calm during
That sounds hard.
It is built over time,
How can I build it?
facing small challenges regularly.
Example of learning from failure.
You give an example. Imagine you give a presentation and you forget points.
That would be embarrassing.
But later you review your mistakes.
To prepare better next time?
Flee.
Well, failure becomes feedback.
Well said.
Fear of judgment.
Sometimes I fear what others think.
A fear is very powerful.
It stops me.
Remember something important.
But people are usually thinking about themselves, not about you.
It is true. Building resilience.
It is resilience. It is the ability to recover after failure.
Bouncing back.
Yes.
How do I build resilience?
By not giving up after one mistake.
In perspective.
So perspective matters.
Very much.
Instead of saying, I failed, I should say,
I learned something.
feels lighter.
Confidence after failure.
Failure increase confidence? Yes, if you survive it.
Survive it.
When you fail and realize life continues, your fear becomes smaller.
That makes sense.
Taking responsibility.
Should I blame others when I fail?
Take responsibility.
And if it feels uncomfortable?
Yes, responsibility gives you control.
Thought, part 4.
Well, mistakes are not enemies. They are teachers.
Failure is not the opposite of success.
It is part of success.
Emotional strength grows with experience.
Actually,
I feel less afraid of failure now.
that is real progress.
We talked about fear, mindset, and mistakes. A is the final part.
Yes, I want to know how to build confidence every day.
Question. Confidence is not built in one day. It grows with daily habits. Bit 1. Keep small promises to yourself.
What is the first habit?
Small promises to yourself.
Kind of promises.
If you say, I will wake up at 7, if you say, I will practice English for 20 minutes, do it.
That builds confidence?
It's because you start trusting yourself.
Well, confidence begins with self-trust.
Bit 2. Improve one skill daily.
What is the second habit?
Improve one skill every day.
And a little?
Really a little. Small progress creates long-term.
Well, consistency matters more than speed.
Consistency builds confidence. Bit 3. Take one small risk daily.
What about fear?
It's one small fear every day.
Like speaking to a stranger?
Or asking a question in class. Or sharing an opinion.
That feels uncomfortable.
Comfort is the price of growth. Bit 4. Improve body language.
Does body language really matter?
Very much. Straight. Walk slowly and calmly. Make contact.
And if I feel nervous inside?
Your body sends signals to your brain. Bit 5. Be kind to yourself.
Sometimes I'm too hard on myself.
It reduces confidence.
What should I do?
Talk to yourself like you would talk to a
That is powerful.
Encouragement builds strength. Bit 6. Limit negative influences.
What about environment?
Very important. Spend less time with negative people.
Avoid constant comparison on social media.
Affects confidence?
Your environment shapes your mindset. Bit 7. Reflect every night.
Is reflection important? Should I reflect on?
Ask yourself, what did I do well today? Can I improve tomorrow?
Builds awareness.
Awareness builds confidence, long-term confidence.
How long does it take to become confident?
Confidence is not a final destination.
Oh, it's a journey?
Some days you feel strong, some days you weak.
It is normal?
Completely normal. Reflection.
Let me summarize.
Go ahead.
Confidence is built through action. Fear is natural but manageable. Positive self matters. Mistakes are lessons. Daily habits create long-term growth.
Perfect summary.
I feel more confident just talking about it.
That is the power of awareness in practice.
So the first step is small action.
Start today.
I will.
Remember, confidence grows slowly.